Welcome to the Cleanmo Products Show. This video is one of a series of videos on the topic of Cleanmo cleaning swabs. This video is based on the CM-FS707 Universal Foam Swab. First of all, the swab adopts imported 100% polyurethane foam, which can provide excellent adsorption, abrasion resistance and water absorption, effectively protecting dust-free sites or general cleaning. The handle is made of high-quality polypropylene material with no rough edges and a smoother surface. And it has compact structure, good toughness, not easy to bend, and will not cause particle or organic pollution. It has a total length of 130.3 millimeters, a rod length of 104.8 millimeters, a head length of 25.5 millimeters, a head width of 16 millimeters, and a head thickness of 9.2 millimeters, a rod width of 6.7 millimeters. Regarding its manufacture, these swabs are manufactured using a high-precision automated process with precise and consistent tolerances, and are washed more than 3 times with ED pure water, ensuring low non-volatile residue and low particle and ionic content. Then in the ISO 10 Cleanroom workshop, it is packaged in the specification of 50 sticks per pack. Complete thermal bond construction eliminates adhesive contamination. Sealed packed swabs in the cool environment can be stored for 2 years so that you will have no worries about the stock. For specific cleaning parameters, please refer to this table. Regarding its application scenarios, this swab can be used in the chip industry, hard disk industry, optical equipment, machinery manufacturing, scanners and other work environments that require pollution control and the cleaning of personal equipment. Because of its large size, this swab can provide enough contact area to improve your cleaning efficiency. Thank you for watching this issue of Cleanmo Product Show. If you want to buy this product, you can log in www.cleanmo.com or www.cleanmo.com.